Go ahead.
You start it.
What do you want to say?
Same thing we always say.
That's Jody.
This is John.
And we're the Wisleys.
And today's adventure of a lifetime is...
the San Diego Zoo.
Ah! John just stepped in something sticky and weird.
It makes me walk like that.
I mean, he walks like that normally.
I do not.
But now he's claiming there's a reason. We're parked in Panda 4. That way we can find our way home later. Just walking up to get in line here at San Diego Zoo. You have to make reservations online and then kind of wait for health screening to get in. So we'll hop in the line and wait our turn. There's one of the wild animals now. We're getting ready. We're going to do the YMCA.
It's not time yet.
Oh, it's always time. Here we go.
All right, you can do this. I know you can. Here we go.
Some people are expecting a very different experience today than I am. I did not bring any household disinfectants. And hopefully she doesn't confuse that with the sunscreen at any point. Keep it safe, San Diego.
Hi there. I just need to get to know 4 questions, please.
And here we are at the entrance to the San Diego Zoo. It's a beautiful day. Weather's perfect. Hopefully the crowds won't be terrible. And we're gonna start out on our next adventure.
Are you excited to be back at the zoo where all your family members are?
Here we are at the San Diego Zoo, the world's greatest zoo. Looking forward to having a great day, seeing all the animals, enjoying the beautiful sunshine, and just having a really good time. Here we are with the flamingos.
Did you know pink flamingos are born completely white?
Fun fact.
That was fun.
Not really. Which of these doesn't belong? I don't know about those ones in the middle. They seem different than all the other flamingos. We're heading into the depths of the jungle. Be wary. This could get scary. Didn't mean to rhyme there, but it worked out. Just see some random tails swinging at the top there. We'll see if we can get in and see what those tails belong to.
Whoa.
Oh, there's one of them. Thanks for coming down for the photo. Well, that other one's not going to join us. That's okay. Let me out. Contrary to everyone who has walked up beside me, these are not monkeys. These are silver-leaf langurs. Fun fact. See, he can wrap his tail right around that rope. Pretty impressive. I think he's just showing off at this point. I don't think those are toaster leave-ins.
Monkey droppings?
That's more like it. Those would be langur droppings. Please.
No, you guys aren't monkeys.
Proper nomenclature.
I just wanted to take a second to address the fact that this is perfect zoo roaming weather. Nice and cool.
Casey, do you agree? That's an endorsement. Take a moment to meet all the orangutans who live here at the San Diego Zoo. They apparently get their own little board here. It's like their own little Facebook page.
This is Satu. He's our one male orangutan. He's 25.
Wow.
And he was born here.
Oh, nice. This is his home. And how many offspring has he helped? Okay. Very nice. Nice little family.
And that's his daughter, 7.5-year-old Sela, named Aisha, is playing with Sela.
Okay.
That's Aisha up there.
How old is the one up here?
7.5.
Okay. What's their lifespan? 50?
That's interesting. She's just being a goof, huh? Where's your phone? Do you have your phone?
It's gonna run out of battery.
I take pictures.
We're entering the Parker Aviary. For those of you who don't know, I have a total fear of birds because they tend to attack me. I have previously been attacked in an aviary, and yet I am still
Face your fears.
taking the chance, risking my own life for this video. Here we go.
This is all for you.
This is for my viewers. Thank you.
Good job. Ooh, look at all these guys. Oh, I want to see a toucan.
If a toucan lands on me, we're done.
Oh, dude, that would be awesome.
We're out of here. Gone before you can say...
Toucan. Is this going to be like the dinosaurs where you don't even see anything because they don't care about park hours? Oh, there's something big over here.
Ooh, there's something big over here. John has spotted the elusive toucan.
Casey did.
Casey has spotted the elusive toucan. This is the video of how John gets bit by the bird. Watch closely.
That was pretty close. He's eyeballing me.
His eyeballing you. Let me zoom out so you can see the bird attack his face.
Can you get him through the... Yeah, that's pretty. There you go.
I'm filming the brown pigeon so that he doesn't feel bad in comparison to the toucan.
No pigeon?
I'm exiting the aviary. I made it out barely with my life. That was a close one.
I don't know how you survived.
It was touch and go there for a moment.
Yeah.
Hey, we just left the bird aviary, and there's my second biggest fear in life, a sky car.
Let's do it.
Let's see how John's hand compares to a gorilla hand.
It's about the same.
Holy crap.
Let's see your hand. Go.
Casey? Oh yeah, same size.
How about you? Jody? I'm usually large.
This is the gorilla enclosure. They're actually up towards this area over here, and we'll head up there in just a moment so we can get a better shot of them.
You can smell the chlorine from the waterfalls.
Just like in nature.
Exactly. Silverback.
This is a pygmy hippo, actually two pygmy hippos hanging out with monkeys. Very cool exhibit here at San Diego Zoo. Lots of interaction, love to see it. I love me some hippos. So we followed this one-way path, which has now led us to another aviary. You can't go back because the paths are all one way for safety, so we have to go through yet another one. That tree is no joke. This is the most impressive bird nest I've ever seen. It looks just like a store-bought basket. These birds are super talented here at San Diego Zoo.
There's a lot of meat on these ones.
Must be getting close to lunchtime. John's sizing the birds up.
I'm just saying.
Not sure what's happening in that tree over there, but whatever it is, it looks pretty violent.
And non-consensual.
think that's how that's supposed to go. This is turning into a very different kind of video for us.
Neither one of them seems to mind it.
These are the bonobo. Help me! Mom, help me! He won't let me up! Oh, he's getting mad. He's getting mad.
No biting.
Pretty soon he's just gonna sit on his face and fart. I felt the rains down in Africa, so we're headed there.
I know. I had a ruler. Look how humongous it is. That's the most. I want to do the baby That's a baby hippo. That's the mommy hippo. Okay, ready?
We're entering into the panda track. I'm not sure what's happened to his horns. I have to imagine he's hurt them in some way. He doesn't really seem bothered by it, so maybe it's just a natural process.
Igual que
It's
las
been a rough
uñas,
day
las
at the
uñas
zoo.
las cortas tú.
Don't drop the camera.
That is scary.
We were just down there. We got our own private elevator.
I took the stairs.
I know.
I'm on the cardio plan.
You're on the breathing heavy plan.
I am. There were a lot of stairs. This is the view out over the entire San Diego Zoo. Great shot of the sky cars. Next, we're headed to see the elephants. What you got there?
I got a Chimango snow cone.
Chamango.
Mango, tahine, chamoy, shaved ice. It's pure joy.
Delicious.
Se duermen todo el día para agarrar energía.
He's got his tongue out. I don't know if that's directed at me or just in general. I probably don't want to find out. There's a sign I thought I'd never see or want to see. We're here at the elephant car wash. Line's short. Does a good job though. Pretty cute. He's getting all the dirty spots. Oh, is it time for a swim? Maybe not. Going back into the pool. Yeah. Pretty sure he's got his headphones in because he's jamming pretty hard to the music and we don't hear anything. In here we have the elusive elephant butt. Shot of the day. This is our friend the tapir.
Kind of looks like a huge beaver.
It really does look like a huge beaver.
Like a
Maybe this is like the land version.
like a Ultralight.
You would not want to find this in your yard
Oh heck no.
or in your attic.
In your attic. How big's your house?
Like a rat. We're playing elephant hide and seek right now. We're at the elephant penitentiary.
It's like where they keep the raptors.
This is not Jurassic Park. The unsung hero of the zoo, the turtle.
It's drama.
For your llama.
Sorry.
Or your llama mama. And she's down.
None of them.
Here we are with the condors. Some of the largest birds in the world.
Wow, look at how big they are.
That's too bad.
Little meerkat. Cute. What are we looking at?
Some sort of little bobcat mini tiger thing.
Okay. This is a rock hopper. It's not really hopping rocks at the moment, but still pretty cute.
Fast and not that strong, and it will still line cubs, and it can outrun the line cubs.
Group of baboons kind of making their way across the habitat. Not sure if it was something I said or... And here we have one of our cute little koala friends, all snug in his tree.
Does anyone ever not have a koala stuffed animal as a kid?
I'm pretty sure it's a requirement. They're just so cute. And here we are with the rhinoceros. He's giving me a really good view of his rhino rear. We've seen a few cute shirts today. Save the chubby unicorns, which I thought was pretty cute, referring to the rhinos. And here we are with the giraffes. Very cute baby. We are currently in line to get on the Sky Tram, which will take us across to the other side of the zoo. Pretty excited. Should get some great views.
Are you ready to do that?
You got a case of the red cherry teeth.
What's down there? Everything.
Our death.
Shove it up there. Don't even joke like that. See Balboa Park right over there. Zoom in. Botanical Gardens. I almost dropped it just now. So Jody, where's your happy place?
Not here. I'm not a fan of the sky cars. I always wonder, when was the last time they checked this line? Is it rusty? Is it fraying? Was the guy having a bad day during the safety check? These are the things I think about.
Go to your happy place.
I've tried.